Hello friends, welcome to eKida, another numerical on capacitance. So the question is, calculate the capacitance to neutral per kilometer with and without considering the effect of earth. So we have to find out the capacitance to neutral with and without considering the effect of earth. And the radius of conductor is 0.01 meter, space 3.5 meter apart and 8 meter above the ground. Also combine the results. So radius is given, radius is equals to 0.01 meter, space means distance d, this is equals to 3.5 meter, and height above the ground, this is 8 meter. First we have to find out the capacitance to neutral with effect of earth. So with effect of earth, this is the capacitance while considering the effect of earth. So capacitance is equals to, for per kilometer, this is equals to C12, this is equals to 0.0121 upon log d by r 1 plus g square by 4h square to the power 1 by 2. But see, this C1 to 2 means this is for line to line and we want capacitance to neutral. So first we'll find line to line. So this is equals to C line to line 1 to 2 is equals to 0.0121 upon log d by r into 1 plus d square by 4h square to the power 1 by 2 microfarad per kilometer. Now put the value of d, this is 3.5, so this is equal to 0.0121 upon log d is equals to 3.5, r is equals to 0.01, 1 plus 3.5 to the whole square upon 4h is 8, 8 square to the power 1 by 2 microfarad per kilometer. So this is equals to 0.00477 microfarad per kilometer. But we want capacitance to neutral. So capacitance to neutral, C1n is equals to C2n. This is equals to 2C12. So this is equals to 2 into 0.00477. So this 2C12, the effect of earth is considered for neutral. So this is equals to 0.00954 microfarad per kilometer. So this is the capacitance to neutral while considering earth. Now for line to neutral capacitance without considering the effect of earth. For line to neutral capacitance without considering the effect of earth. So apply equation, we know C1n is equals to C2n, this is equals to 2C12. So C12 is this is equals to 0.0242 upon log d by r microfarad per kilometer. See, you know this equation, we have already calculated this equation for single phase line. This equation, this is equals to 0.0242 log d by r microfarad per kilometer. So this is equals to, put the value of d and r, 0.0242 upon log distance is 3.5 upon r is equals to 0.01. So this is equals to microfarad per kilometer. So this is equals to 0.00951 microfarad per kilometer. Therefore, capacitance line to neutral while considering earth upon capacitance line to earth without considering the effect of earth, this is equals to 0.00954 upon 0.00951. So this is equals to 1.0032. So presence of earth increases the capacitance by 0.32%, which is negligible. So I hope you understand the question. The question says the capacitance to neutral we have to calculate with and without considering the effect of earth. So first we calculated it with effect of earth. So the formula for capacitance to neutral, but we have the formula for capacitance line to line. So the formula is 0.121 upon log d by r 1 plus g square by 4h square to the power 1 by 2. So we know the value for d, r and h. On putting the value of d, r and h, we got c line to line is equals to 0.00477 microfarad per kilometer. But for line to neutral, this is equals to 2C12. So 2 into line to line, this is equals to 0.00954 microfarad per kilometer. Now we calculate capacitance without considering the effect of earth. This is equals to 0.00242 upon log d by r. On putting the value of d and r, we got 0.00951 microfarad per kilometer. So the ratio of capacitance line to neutral while considering earth to without considering earth, this is equals to 1.0032. So the presence of earth increases the capacitance by 0.32%, which is negligible. Thank you.